session, we know about the simple C++ program. In C++ program, first enter the header file, that is iostream.h and conio.h and stdlib.h and stdio.h. Then here in C++ compiler in online, we do not didn't represent conio.h and stdlib.h and stdio.h. It's not needed to add in online stream for compiling through online. We need not these three things, and only we have use iostream and using namespace std only we have to use. Here the iostream is used for to maintain the input and output stream from the file, and conio also we have to maintain the input and the output, and library functions can be maintained based on stdlib.h, and using namespace std can maintain the collision from library and functions and etc. So in by running in on online compiler, so we do not need to add stdio.h, conio.h and lib.h. Just we enter the header as the iostream and using namespace std. Then main function we have to start for progressive the program. Under the main function, we have to insert all the program statement inside the main function. Here, first the program we suggest only to print hello world. So to print the hello world by using cout statement. Cout statement is one of the statement for printing the statement or value anything. Just in within the codes we have to print by using cout object with extraction, and when we denote a data type as int, so we must return type will be denoted. So in main function the data type will be denoted as the int, so return 0 can be represented at the end of the program. Then just run the program, compile the program, and hello world will be displayed. This is a simple program for using C++. Then the next simple program is adding two numbers using C++. The same thing, the header, and we just note in inside the main function, we can declare the variable whatever we want to adding the two integer. So we have to need two variables or three variables. Two variables means two variables we have to get the value and store the value. The finally the storing the value needs one variable. So totally we have declare three variables. So based on integer or float, we have to declare the variable. So here we put just whatever we want. We have to declare the variable name A or B and sum. So the variables should be in reasonable and meaningful and understandable. So it must be easy to understand what the variable is. So the understandable variable can be used in the declaration part. Then after, for cout statement, we have to print the statement, and cin statement, we have to get the input from the user based on the exploratory. So when the variable is changed as A, so we have to change as A and B. Here, first to print, enter two numbers, two integers, and the two integers means first we want to sum the two numbers. So two variables have been getted input from the user. So we have to scan or get the value using cin statement A and B based on this exploratory function. And then after we have to sum the value. So sum equal to A plus B. Then print the statement as cout. The first number is A plus B equal to the presentation of the printing statement. If you want A plus B equal to the sum of two numbers calculated and assigned into the statement variable sum, then we have to print the value as a sum and return 0. So the result will be displayed as, when compiling and run the program, first the statement enter two numbers. So the system wants two number to add the program. So I put the first number is 23 and second number is 45. Then put enter. So the statement, the cout statement A, that is 23 and plus, so it will be displayed, and B, that is a given number is 45 and equal to sum. Sum means whatever the A and B can be calculated and stored into the sum. So the sum variable is 68. So finally, we get the answer using cout statement. So this is one of the simple program by using C++. Thank you.